Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about MDX price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. So now we're gonna start also with the MDX per BUSD. Congratulations, it's already like gained 12.63%. Wow. So for the Bollinger Band also is already having a correction here, going to the yellow one first, upper band on the 1.427 US dollar. If they go down, break this one, the 1.25, then it will try to go down again, getting lower on the one. Have to attention if the price is below $1, it should be getting go to this one, 0.85. But if the price is still at above the $1, then it's still having opportunity to go up and getting higher, right? And the current price is already above the moving average 7. If there's still the prices on above 1.35, so it's still having opportunity to get up. But if their price is already below that point, like 1.2 or 1.1, you have to attention on it, right? If they can break this one, 1.559, then it will try to push it again to 1.7 or 1.8, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. For the RSI stochastic is already overbought position. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.